guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Telefon. Today I will be showing you how I make pepper soup yam. So I'm gonna use chicken and make this pepper soup yam. So these are my ingredients. I have Maggi, I have crayfish pepper, and this is my pepper soup spicy. So I bought this in African shop. So this is my yam. So I'm gonna peel the yam, and this is the chicken I'm gonna use with this pepper soup. I hope you enjoy this. So now I'm gonna put seasoning on my chicken. I have to steam the chicken first. So I have added Maggi, that's a no cube. So now is onion. So you need to slice your onion into small pieces. Any sizes you want, you can slice your onion. And I just added my onion. I'm gonna add pepper into it. So this is salt. So make sure you add salt and pepper also. So I'm using a Scotch bonnet. Okay. So you can use any pepper of your choice, either dry pepper or the fresh pepper. Is up to you. So it all tastes the same. Okay. I'm using Scotch bonnet because it has this amazing flavor, amazing odor, also scent when you cook Scotch bonnet. So I finished seasoning it. So now I'm gonna peel my yam. I don't know what, maybe you can get these in any grocery, I don't know, but I got this in a food shop, which if you find, you will get it. So this is called yam. But it's hard to cut, so you have to be careful in order not to cut your finger. So I'm gonna peel this yam. So I'm gonna check how the chicken is cooking. As you can see, the chicken is boiling. So I want it to be very soft. That's why I'm cooking it up. I'm cooking it for about 10 to 15 minutes to make it soft. So now I'm gonna add more water to it because I'm gonna add the yam together. So with more water, the yam can easily cook very fast. So now I'm gonna add my pepper, my crayfish, and my seasoning. That's no cube. I just add everything together. Put the onion, everything, just put them together. So it's time to add my pepper soup spicy. So I'm not adding too much, about 1 spoon. So I just add 1 spoon of pepper soup spicy into it. So it's time to add my yam. So I've peeled the yam, wash it, then you just pop the yam inside. You cut it into a small lump. So you just pop everything inside. So now I'm gonna add my otazi. So this is otazi leaf. I got this in African shop. So I don't know what it's called in English, but we call it otazi. I'm just gonna add everything, just stir it together. This otazi make it taste delicious. It's not bitter, but a little bit, but it's very nice when you use it in soup. So my pepper soup yam is ready. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope this video is helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends or family. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.